Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. With the popularity of Teslas in Hong Kong, and because home charging is as yet non-existent, many Tesla owners experience charging problems. Here I highlight one such problem involving quick or level 2 chargers. These free quick chargers are installed in many shopping mall car parks, and they seem to be well used by Tesla owners, especially those who wish to avoid queuing up and paying for Tesla supercharging. This Model X has parked in a dangerous spot and, without permission, has removed the Model 3's charging cable, because presumably the Model 3 has finished charging and there are no idle fees imposed, which would encourage EV owners to be considerate of other EV owners. Although the Model 3 has overstayed, it is also impolite of the Model X owner to take this action and also to simply throw the Model 3's charging cable on the floor. The Model X owner explains his reason to rush, but still this is not acceptable. What do you think? Please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.